Okay, here are the instructions for activity number 2. In this activity, you're going to be solving equations. In the last one, all you had to do was write the equation from the scenario. This time, you're going to be given a scenario with an equation in it, and then you're going to have to solve it. So on a sheet of paper, either a new one or the same one that you did activity 1 on, I would like for you to solve each equation the way I asked you to do so. So if you've already done activity number 1, put a line underneath it, okay, and then title this activity number 2. So let's look at these problems. So here is the first two that I want us to look at. So this first one says, it's a shopping problem. It says, Jenna bought 5 reams of paper at the store for a total of $21. The tax on her purchase was $1. Solve 5x plus 1 is equal to 21 to find the price for each ream of paper. So in this type of a problem, they're giving you the scenario, but they're also showing you what the equation would look like. Okay? So what I would like for you to do on your sheet of paper is write number 1 and then write the equation. 5x plus 1 is equal to 21. And then I would like for you to solve this one the way that I've asked you to do so. Okay? So it is a plus problem, so we're all good there. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of this plus 1. And we do that by adding its opposite. So you should write 5x plus 1 plus negative 1 is equal to 21 plus negative 1. Remembering to add the same thing to both sides. So now our 1's go away, and we're left with 5x is equal to, and then 21 plus negative 1 gives you 20. So now we're ready to get rid of the multiply and divide. So we get rid of a multiply by 5 by doing a divide by 5. So I divide by 5 on both sides. So these two 5's will cancel out and leave us with 1x, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we end up with x is equal to, and then 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay? Now anytime we're dealing with a word problem, you need to make sure that you give me a label for your answer. So in this one, we go back and look at the question. It says, solve this equation to find the price for each ream of paper. So this 4 is actually a $4. And we need to remember the dollar sign is in the front. So what I would like for you to do then is for each of these 8 questions, I would like for you to write the equation down on your paper and solve it.